Hello, my name is Ann Simpson. I am the Adult Services Librarian here at the Winter Park Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to log in and manage your account in our new catalog system, Discovery. We're starting at the library's homepage, which is wppl.org. At the top, there's this My Account button. It's been here the whole time, but now it's going to take us somewhere different. So if we click on My Account, it's going to redirect to our new catalog, Discovery. The catalog looks like this. It says Winter Park Library twice, so you know you're in the right place. If, for some reason, you've made a mistake and you need to get back to the library website, you can click on the link here. Otherwise, you can click here to go to the events calendar or the kids catalog. In the middle, this is the carousel that's showcasing, right now it's showcasing new release items. It's going to cycle through each of these topics. Some of them are seasonal, like Halloween, so keep an eye on this because I expect it will change. If there's some specific item you want to search for, the search bar is at the top here with advanced options. For today, we are most interested in how you log in, which is this button in the right corner. If we click on log in, this box will show up, prompting us to log in either with our library card number and last name or easy username and password. If this is your first time logging into Discovery, you're going to have to use your library card number and your last name. You'll type in the number on the back of that card in full, just like that, all the numbers in a row, no spaces, and then you'll type in your last name or the last name on your account. It's going to show up like this because it's functioning as a password, so hopefully you know how to spell your last name correctly. If you'd like to hit Remember Me on your own device, feel free, but this is a public computer, so I'm going to leave that unchecked. When you're ready, you can click on Login or press Enter on the keyboard, and you're all set. You'll know you've logged in correctly because there's no error code, and it now says Ann's account at the top here. It'll say your name, so they don't all say Ann's account, and if you'd like to log out, the button is right here. To access your account, just click on your name, and you'll be taken to your account summary. This gives an overview of all your information, as well as how many items you have on hold and checked out. To update your contact information, just click on the contact information box here, and you can change your address, email, cell phone number, any of that. You only have one branch option, so that's not really something that you can change. If you'd like to receive text messages, this is where you change your carrier. We'll be back here in just a second. If you want to set up an easy username and password, that option will be listed here. You can choose any username you like and any password that you'll remember. I've already set this account up with one, so I'm going to log out and show you how to log in using that. Once again, we click on Login in the right-hand corner here. And instead of using my library card number, I'm going to type in my easy username and my secret password, which I am not telling you. And then hit enter, and we're right back like before. So back into my account. If for some reason you need to change your username or password, you can do that here, or by clicking on the options on the side. Now, the most exciting part is the opt-in and notifications option here. There are two things that you can opt into. One of them is your loan history. If you decide that this is something you're interested in, Discovery can keep a list of everything you've checked out. You would just have to check on this dialog box here, or button, and then agree to the terms and conditions. If you agree to let the catalog system keep your loan history, the library is going to retain data about the titles that you borrowed on your library card. That will be available for display within your account and will include titles that are checked out after you opt in. So this is not retroactive, it is only going forward from the moment you opt in. If you choose to opt out later, your loan history will be removed and it is not recoverable by the library. So just be aware of that before you change your mind. If that's something you're interested in, you can just check the I have read and agree to the terms and conditions button here and hit save. Since this is a dummy account, I'm going to hit cancel, but feel free to opt into that if you're interested. If you would like to receive text notifications from the library, you're going to have to start by updating your contact information to make sure that it has the correct carrier for your phone number. This one is set to Verizon, but let's say that actually I've just switched and now I have T-Mobile. So we're going to go to the carrier option here and then check out this really long list of all my options. T-Mobile is up at the top, so we're going to click on that and then hit save. The green bar lets us know our information was successfully saved, and then go back to opt-in and notifications, and I can choose to either get due date reminders, items on hold, or both. I've chosen both, and then we can hit save, And once again, our information was saved, and we're going to get text messages in the future. You can also get checkout and renewal receipts by email. This button makes that process automatic. That's another option that you have in Discovery. But let's say that today I don't need to manage my account information, and instead I want to see what I have checked out. That's under Account Activity here. So this account has 4 items checked out, 1 on hold, and no fines, which is great. So the status is good. If you do manage to accrue fines, you would be able to pay them on this tab here, and you could print out a list for your records if you want. This is a list of everything checked out, sorted by status. You can also sort by title, so it's alphabetical, or author, if that's also of interest. I'm going to sort back by status. Here you can see that I've already renewed these 2 items once, but I haven't renewed the book. That's just how you can keep track of how many renewals you have left. It's also going to tell you the due date and how many days specifically are left on the loan. If you want to renew an item, you can either select everything here or individual items with these checkboxes. Now, this is an ebook. There's going to be a different tutorial you can check out if you want to know more about how ebooks integrate with Discovery. But for now, just remember that you cannot renew an ebook in the catalog. That's why this button says download instead of renew loan. So just make sure that you're in overdrive if you want to process a renewal. Everything else should be just fine. As always, if somebody else has placed the item on hold, it's not going to be able to renew, but everything here should be okay. If I want to check what I have on hold, we can go to the Holds tab. I have 1 item on hold and it has not arrived yet. I'm number 3 on the list, so it's going to be a little while. If I decide that I change my mind, you can always cancel your hold here, or I can suspend it and pick a date in the future when I'm interested in that book. This isn't really an option because there's only 1 library. So when this system is used in larger systems, like when Discovery is used in multi-branch systems, that would do something, but you can feel free to ignore it. If you have any saved lists or searches in your account, you can access them here. But I don't have any, so that's not very exciting. And with that, that is a quick guide to managing your account information in Discovery. If you have any questions, feel free to call the library or come in and ask anybody. Here, we're happy to help you, but hopefully that has given you enough information to successfully set up your new account. And we hope you like Discovery just as much as we do.